You want to securely manage your Bitwarden vault with N8N? Well, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Bitwarden to N8N so you can automate tasks like managing collections, groups, members, and other vault-related data. Let's get started. First, open your N8N workspace. I will assume that you're already logged in and ready to go. Before we proceed, it's crucial to have your Bitwarden client ID. Inside the N8N, find the Create Workflow button. Click it and you will be presented a canvas to start building your workflow. On this canvas, look for a plus icon which you can click to add new node. Think of nodes as building blocks for your automation. A search bar will appear once you click on the plus icon. Here you can type in Bitwarden. It will lead you to a library at your fingertips. From the list that appears, select Bitwarden. Once you click on Bitwarden, you're letting N8N know that you are about to create an automated task involving this tool. You're connecting the dots, ensuring the Bitwarden and N8N communicate with each other. To specify what action you need from Bitwarden, click on any action you require. Then move on to the Select Credential drop-down. Go ahead and click on Create New Credential. This option allows you to import your client ID and client secret safely. After passing your client ID and client secret, click on the Save button. And there you have it! You've successfully connected Bitwarden to N8N. Thanks for watching, keep automating, keep your data secure, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.